Revit 2021 offers a new personalized experience for the way you work. The first time you launch Revit 2021, a new dialog box will appear. Press the Start button to begin personalizing your experience. You will be asked a few questions about your discipline and your job role. First, icons will appear that represent common AC disciplines. Simply select those that are most relevant to you. Next, you will be asked to select your primary job role. After answering these questions, select the View Suggestion button to see a proposed workspace configuration. You can accept or reject these recommendations via the I'll give it a try or No thanks buttons, respectively. Now that your workspace has been customized, you can press the Start Working button to see the result. From this point forward, when starting a new Revit project or opening an existing one, you will see the customized workspace. For example, you may only see architecture tools if you answered with architecture and architect. Ribbon tabs and tools pertaining to other disciplines will be hidden. If you would like to adjust these settings and redefine your workspace, you can always go to File, Options, User Interface. For example, you might check the box for Structure tab and Tools. Once you press OK, you will have now access to the additional ribbon tabs for Structure, Steel, and Precast. Revit 2021 makes it easy to tailor your workspace to your discipline and job role.